Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has the 4K tow package. And taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing with your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, and front with the full blacked out trim on this vehicle, blind spot detection, and moving to the front here, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does tee up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, some storage on the side here, plenty of door space in the back. You got the black accents, 2 USB-Cs, little hook with carpeted interior, those nice looking seats, and of course, we do get the storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, gas cap, and trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 57 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We do get a digital speedometer here with My View, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. For your drive modes, you do get sport, tow and haul, eco, and slippery. To my right, we get our gear slick, parking brake, traction, and tons of storage. With your outlets just right here, you do get your center console with tons more storage and some extra keys. And looking here, your volume, playback, play forward, comm screen, which just tells you the date and time, temperature, all that jazz. Hazards, max temp, and auto hold. Storage below and above with a nice little infotainment system here with climate controls at the bottom. We do get an audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, settings, nothing spectacular, just customize the vehicle how you please. Features of the vehicle such as towing, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the app CarPlay and Android Auto. And shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA69347, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.